और आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं विशाखापत्तनम, जहां इस वक्त इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सी फूड शो का कार्यक्रम चल रहा है और यहां पे इस कार्यक्रम में निर्मला सीतारमण भी मौजूद हैं।
Greater coordination. The industries department, which is under me, has in the Invest India cell encouraged foreign investors to look at value addition to products which come from marine products, and therefore I will in the near future be able to say quite a few investments will happen in order to bring in value addition to seafood products, and I hope in Andhra Pradesh we'll have such investment as much as in states like Kerala and also Gujarat. One of the best practices about which I will refer here, which may be of use in states like Kerala, is the fishermen component of the marine products which come into it, which is very typical for our socio-economic condition. We have a lot of people who have gone into seafood, but land-based seafood growth, hatcheries, nurseries and so on, who are not traditional fishermen, which is very well for the industry. But there is also this desperate call from our traditional fishermen who go into the sea, who get you the wild catches from the sea, but whose products do not have much of a value realization because aggregation becomes very difficult. These people who fetch the products from the sea, who have been traditional fishermen, who know which season to go in, and the Chief Minister was referring, they honor certain cultural practices. There are times in a year when they don't go into the sea. The state government supports them at that time because that's the time when the fish spawn, and therefore it is important not to go and disturb the spawning of the fish. But after that, the kind of catch they come up with are also now valued in the international market as wild and natural catch rather than nurseried catches, for which aggregation is an issue. Gujarat has some practices which are very good, and I would think the MPEDA members who have now become members of the MPEDA, some positions are still vacant, we need to fill them up, should look at best practices within the country, in other parts of the states, other parts of the country, and then bring them on board so that just as Andhra Pradesh has succeeded in having investments made in marine product manufacturing within the inland or getting it from the sea, there are fishermen-related activities which are important for our socio-economic growth, for inclusive growth. I would think the Marine Products Export Development Authority should spend some time and bring those practices among fishermen too. I fully appreciate and hail the Chief Minister for his declaration that he envisions Andhra Pradesh to become an aqua hub. That's a major statement to make, and for a Chief Minister who believes in delivering all that he has promised, I'm sure Andhra Pradesh will certainly become an aqua hub, and all of us will certainly add to all his efforts in making aqua hub because I have a vested interest in it. I want the MPEDA to benefit from that aqua hub which comes in Andhra Pradesh, which represents global best practices.
तो सी फूड के सेक्टर में इस क्षेत्र में देशी और विदेशी निवेश की अपील करते हुए निर्मला सीतारमण विशाखापत्तनम में ये बोल रही थी, जहां के कि 20वां इंडिया इंटरनेशनल सी फूड शो का इस वक्त आयोजन किया जा रहा है और तमाम जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं उन सभी से अपील कि इस क्षेत्र में आप निवेश करें ताकि फिशरमैन के साथ साथ इसमें जितने भी स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं सबका विकास हो सके और साथ साथ राज्य के साथ साथ देश का भी विकास हो सके।